The ROG Ally has taken the gaming world by storm, and for good reason. It looks like a Steam Deck but improved in every single way. More powerful hardware, a much better screen, and not to mention the fact that it runs on Windows by default. All of which are absolutely huge improvements, but of course all of that comes at a price. As in, like, literally it comes at a price. It'll be way more expensive than a Steam Deck. Because of that, many people wondered if it will actually take off like the Steam Deck did. But here's the thing. ROG, or rather ASUS, did have a plan, and apparently they are also releasing a lower spec and most likely lower priced ROG Ally variant as well. Because leaks have recently surfaced of what looks like a more cut down AMD chip running on one of these ASUS portable gaming consoles. This chip has a third of the compute units of the full-fledged model we have seen so far, not to mention slightly lower clocks, down to 4.9 GHz boost over 5.1 of the higher end Ally model. All of that combined means that this ROG Ally Lite should be way slower, but still should be good enough to give the Steam Deck a run for its money, and more importantly, it will be a lot cheaper. And while we don't know full pricing so far, ASUS would be pretty dumb not to price it at least competitively compared to the Steam Deck, seeing how that's the only comparison most people are gonna do. But let me know what you think of this and if you are picking up an ROG Ally. I certainly won't be picking one up, because I paid for a 43-inch monitor, and I guess I have to prove to myself that it wasn't a waste now. And while you're still here, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, AKB, Justin Rage, Olaf Roniak, Balaj Welcome, Max Sumner, Shane Ulcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. Down there you're going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all whenever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.